What if death isn't the end? New research in quantum physics suggests it might not be. There's a growing theory called biocentrism, which says that life and consciousness aren't random accidents, but the very foundation of the universe. In simple terms, reality exists because we observe it. Strange quantum effects, like the observer effect, entanglement, and even retrocausality, hint that our consciousness might be shaping what's real. So maybe death isn't a full stop. Maybe it's just a shift, a transition to another form of existence, one that exists beyond time and space, in a multiverse where every possibility is playing out, side by side. If that's true, then is anything truly impossible?